Hi guys, so today let us make this delicious sandwich. So you don't need fire, you don't need gas, you don't need heat, you don't need oven, you don't need yeah, you don't need anything hot at all. Just your bread, egg, cucumber, carrot, and any other vegetable you want to use. Also, we'll be using tomato ketchup and mayonnaise with salt and black pepper or any other spice you want to put inside. So that's all for now. So first off, you start by cutting your boiled egg. So you separate the yolk from the egg, and then you dice the egg while you mash the yolk. So after doing that, you would add all the ingredients together. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you've not. We have so many interesting breakfast recipes on our channel. Please feel free to check them out and let us know which one you like most, and let us know if there's something else you want us to post on our channel, and we would gladly make that video and post it. So please feel free to check out our videos. Yeah, so after mashing the egg, you have to add the diced white parts to the yolk you mashed, and after that, you add your cucumber, your carrots, and any other veg you used in making it. Then you mix them together. Then after mixing them, so you add your mayonnaise to it. So after adding your mayonnaise, you mix again. Then you add your black pepper. Yeah, this is my black pepper. Anyone can go first. Either your mayonnaise is going first, your black pepper is going first, your salt is going first. Anyone can go first actually. So I just added just three things: mayonnaise, black pepper, and salt, and then I mixed. That was all. So anyone can go first, like I said. So and here you have it. So for the bread, you don't need to heat the bread up or anything, though you can if you want to actually. So you just add your tomato ketchup to the bread. Like I said when I started, we'll be using tomato ketchup. So yeah, this is the work of the tomato ketchup. So you just add it to the bread and you spread it around the bread, spread it on both parts. So if you want, you can spread one part and then the other part using covering it. You can add more mayonnaise to it, or you just spread on one part and leave the other part, or you can spread on both parts. Well, I'm not really a fan of ketchup, so I'll be spreading on just one part actually. So you spread. After spreading the ketchup on the bread, now you spread your mixed ingredients on it also. You just add your mixed ingredients, that's the boiled egg, cucumber, carrots, and whatever you mixed. You add it on top of the bread, and then you just cover, and that's all. So as you can see, it is actually very easy to make and very simple, and trust me guys, this was actually delicious. Like this, oh my goodness. Seriously, you need to try it. I don't know, have you tried any of my breakfast recipe that I said is delicious and it didn't turn out to be delicious? Like, you seriously need to try this too. Like, this is very easy. It doesn't waste time, and you don't need any fire, you don't need gas, you don't need cooker, you don't need oven, you don't need to fry, and then it tastes nice and it is sweet and it's looking presentable actually. So yeah, feel free to try this and come back to thank us later. Please don't forget to like I said, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you've not. Thank you for staying with us on today's video. We hope to see you on all of our videos, and we hope you like this video. Have a nice day. Let me leave you to watch the video till the end. Bye. Yeah, please, before I forget, don't forget to let us know your name and where you're watching from so we can give you a big hug for actually opening our channel. Thank you. We love and appreciate you always. So this is the end result. Try this and your stomach will thank you. Bye bye.